Randy here at Eastwood, and today we're proud to announce the addition of a complete line of tools designed specifically for the lefty. No longer will left-handed people struggle to use basic hand tools, because here at Eastwood we developed a line of tools including MIG and TIG welders that can be used by both left and right-handers alike with the same confidence and precision. Our engineers performed an in-depth study of left-handers trying to use everyday tools, and we saw their struggle. No matter if it was a MIG welder to do basic metal fab, a dual voltage powder coating gun, or even something as simple as a screwdriver that was likely designed specifically for a righty. When it appeared plasma cutters were too confusing for any non-righty to even attempt using, our engineers sat down and designed tools that could be used by both a lefty and righty without compromising the integrity of the tool. We're now bringing these tools to our customers. Your left-handed child will no longer have to grow up in a world where there's a constant struggle to use a tool as simple as a Phillips head screwdriver. MIG welding is no longer something that's only for righties, and with our patented torch design, you can even switch hands while welding. Try doing that with the competition. Plasma cutting is no longer just a right-handed activity, and we even designed a plasma cutting table that both lefties and righties can use, allowing you to clamp pieces that hang off either end of the table, so lefties can cut with the same precision as their right-handed counterparts. As you can see, Eastwood is dedicated to helping everyone do the job right. Or left. If you're watching this on April 1st, click the button to get a great deal at Eastwood. In fact, no matter when you're watching this video, you should check out Eastwood because we're always developing great new tools and offering even better deals. And that's no joke. Click or tap the button in the top corner of the video to visit Eastwood.com or follow the link that appears on screen.